So now, in our last class, we have seen about to the past tense. Okay. Now let's see today about to the adverbs. So when we just divide this word, it's divided into add and verbs. So what is the meaning of verbs? Will you tell me first?
Ma'am, adverbs are words that describe action.
Yeah, verbs means actions. Verbs means actions. And here we are going to study about adverbs. है ना? So now let's get ready. First we'll read the paragraph. Karan went to the gymnasium today. He woke up when his alarm rang loudly. Okay. At 6 a.m., he dressed hurriedly and ran outside. He sat on his bicycle, paddled quickly, and reached there before sunrise. Soon, the instructor arrived. Karan is an athlete. He keeps fit by going to the gym regularly. He also plays lawn tennis sometimes in the evening. He is an extremely talented sports person. Last year, he almost won the state level championship, but he suddenly twisted his ankle and fell. This year, he is trying to win the championship again. So see here, gymnasium today rang loudly, then dressed hurriedly, ran outside, paddled quickly, then reached there. Sunrise soon, then regularly. Just wait for a minute, beta. 1 minute. Yes, ma'am.
Art integrated project is sent on which date?
No.
प्रिंसिपल सर ने कब सेंड किया था हमको?
प्रीवियस में होता है.
डेट पता है आपको?
Just 1 minute. Beta, read at least once the same paragraph.
October.
Yes, okay, beta. See here now. Are you able to hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here words it's describing the verbs. It is describe the actions. What adverbs are doing? Adverbs are describe about to the actions, describe about to the place, time, everything. So let's get more info. The words in bold are adverbs. So just I have spoke all of these words which are in blue color, in red color, in green color, and in sky blue color. These all words are adverbs. Now let's see what are the adverbs. What type types of adverbs are there that we'll see. Adverbs are words that describes actions, words or verbs. Adjectives and other adverbs, they tell us when, where and how an action has been performed. Means in which place, at what time and how the action has been performed. जो भी action हुई है वो कहाँ हुई, कैसे हुई, किस तरीके से हुई. That all things are mentioned through the adverbs only. They also indicates the quality or degree of an action. Suppose you ran, but how you ran? Very fastly, quickly or slowly, happily or unhappily, है ना? So these all things are showing as through the adverbs only. Many adverbs end in ly. Most of adverbs ऐसे है जिसके ending में in the end of the word that's added by ly. Suppose example for here given: loudly, hurriedly, quickly, fastly, slowly. So in the ending of these verbs there's ly mentioned. But then there are many others that they don't. लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे भी words हैं there's ly is not mentioned there. So what words are there? So that's today, then almost, then soon, then sometimes. The examples are given. It is showing timing ना, तो उसके पीछे तो ly नहीं है. But even these all words are as adverbs only. We will study adverbs which describe the manner, place, time, frequency and degree of an action. So just make underline here. We'll study adverbs which describe the manner, place, time and frequency and degree of an action. So first of all we will get information about the adverbs of manner. Manners means it show how, in what manner the action is done. वो जो action हुई है वो कैसे हुई है, how it's done. Just I have said like that कि loudly, hurriedly, slowly, quickly. तो कोई भी action होती है, कोई जल्दी होती है, कोई slowly होती है, कोई जल्दी जल्दी में. So that's all are as adverb of manners. The alarm rang loudly. है ना? So alarm तो rang हुआ, but how it's too loudly. So here the word loudly, it is showing as adverb of manner. वो कैसे शो करता है हमें? Adverb of manner के तौर पे. तो have you got बेटा? What is the adverb of manner? When the action is done, it is showing कि how, in what manners it is there. At that showing this way. Okay. Then he dressed hurriedly. उसने dress, he just dressed up herself. How? So very hurriedly. How? जब भी कोई question, whenever the question asked by the how, कैसे किया, so that thing showing as adverb of manners. Most adverbs of manner end in ly and are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Then examples here are given. See, safe plus ly, safely, neat plus ly, neatly. तो ये सब जो ये सिर्फ verb है. Here actions are there. So when ly added, it's changed into the adverbs.
Adverb.
If the adjective ends in y, replace the y with I and add ly. So here example given angry, so angrily, when we write angrily, we just remove y and add there ILY, angrily. Lucky, so luckily. If the adjective ends in able, IBLE or LE, replace the E with Y. Example for comfortable, comfortably, terrible, terribly, and gentle, so gently. So here these all LY words are as adverbs. Now adverbs of time. So what is the first type of adverbs is here? So that is adverb of manner. Yeah. First type of adverb is adverb of manner. और adverb of manner में क्या आएगा? When we asking the question through how, whatever action you have done. So how you have done it? Quickly, fastly, then slowly, then hurriedly, neatly, safely. So these all words are adverb of manner. Yes.
Ma'am, in box in next page, there is in the box of manner there is no fastly, there is fast only.
Yeah, sorry, it's my fault too in spoken. Okay. See, so in here it's given because there's no any words as fastly. So see here 5 of types are it is already mentioned here one by one. First we'll study about this whole thing. Which thing we can mention in adverb of manner. So in adverb of manner only the things which we asking question by the how. कैसे किया, whatever action is there, how it has been done, that all will come in manner. So see in paragraph in this table also it is mentioned that correctly, quietly, easily, then carefully, then fast, then gently, then loudly. Okay, so that is all about to the manner only. What? Any question regarding adverb of manner? You can ask beta.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So shall we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this thing you need to learn बेटा. यहाँ पे आपको पता होना चाहिए that ABLE अगर able है, so how will change it into the adverb. So at that time you need to add their BLY or LE or ILE. That thing you have to learn. Now the second type is here, and that is about adverb of time. So just we have seen the action which you have done yesterday, today, before some days, and also it is showing about to the time. Adverbs of time show when an action takes place. जो actions आपने की है, the verbs is क्या? So at what time you have done? So that is about to the adverb of time. So adverb of time show when an action takes place. Examples are here given that कि Karan went to the gymnasium today. Went, but when he went. So today. So here word today, it is showing adverb of time. Got? Pahal, your attention is not here. Then the second, that is soon the instructor arrived. Instructor arrived, instructor आ गया. कब? When? So soon, जल्दी ही, है ना? So here today and soon. So adverb of time show when an action takes place. जो भी कोई action है, वो कब हुई? When timing is showing there, it is as adverb of time. So second types of adverb is adverbs of time. First one is the question which asked by how, it is as adverb of manner, and the second, the question which asked by when. Okay, that is as adverb of time. Got?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Have you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference in? What is the difference between adverb of time and adverb of manner? Will you tell me?
Ma'am, time. Ma'am, adverb of time shows when an action takes place, and the adverb of manners shows us how the action takes place.
Yeah, how the action has done. How the action has been done. Action कैसे हुई है? That is showing as adverb of manner. And when action has takes place, it is as adverb of time. You can make underline here that. So it will be easily you can remember. This one. Clear beta? Now let's see third one, that is adverbs of place. So what is adverb of place? Yes, sir.
Adverb of place shows where the action takes place. Ma'am, why you underline it under the adverbs of time show where an action takes place?
What beta? Speak again.
Ma'am, you do underline under the adverbs of time show when an action takes place.
Yeah.
So ma'am, why underline cut for some time?
Chalo, now let's see here. The third one, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place. Now here, adverb of place, that is show where an action takes place. कोई भी action अगर हुई है, if any action has been done, then where it has been done. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, soon, है ना, early morning, at midnight. So this all timing that showing as adverb of time. Now here we'll see about the adverb of place. One minute, huh, madam? See here, adverb of place show where an action takes place. जो भी action हुई है, in which place that has been done. That is outside, inside, there, here, near, far away. These all things are showing about to the adverbs of place. See here, Karan ran outside. Karan ran, he just ran, but where? So outside. So it is showing as place. Outside जो है वो एक जगह है, that is showing as place. So here the word outside, it is as adverbs of place. Then second one, that he reached there before sunrise. वो वहां पे पहुंचा. So here word there, that is also showing as adverb of place.
Wait.
Second one, he reached there before sunrise. So action which done on which place? Here make underline. Adverbs of place show where an action takes place. That is as adverb of 1 minute here. Let me make. Yeah. So beta, now let's see about let me say about the difference of adverb of manner, adverb of time and adverb of place. Chalo, first of all, Avya. Avya say about adverb of manner.
Ma'am, can I say?
Avya will speak about adverb of manner.
Ma'am, you want to say the one word? Ma'am, please drive carefully.
Yes, okay. Please drive carefully, and carefully it is showing about to the adverb of manner. Correct. Now adverb of time. Nain Patel.
Yesterday I eat sandwich. Ma'am, we have to say definition.
No, beta, let me say any one example or.
Ma'am, today, tomorrow.
Today, tomorrow. Okay, about to the time. Yeah. Adverb of place. Aditya.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo beta, chalo, let me say about to the adverb of place.
Karan ran outside.
Outside. वो तो already वहाँ पे दिया हुआ है बेटा. Let me say another one.
There, inside. Here, inside. Near, far. Ma'am, inside.
Inside. Okay, good. Now, so three we have learned, that is adverb of time, adverb of manner and adverb of place. Got? Now, see here, these two will not study today, that adverb of frequency and adverb of degree, that will do tomorrow, not today. Now, before that, what you have to do? Just make this 5 of table in your notebook. Okay, और अभी के लिए right now you have to write this 3 one only, manner, time and place. इतना ही लिखना है. You need to write this one only. So start to write.
What, ma'am?
You have to write here about manner, time and place. Adverb of time, or do one thing, leave it that. For tomorrow you will do that one. Just.
Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
मैम आप ब्लॉक्सिटी के क्वेश्चन आंसर के आंसर कब भेजोगे?
Yeah, today I'll share.
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, write down this heading 24 chapter, then date, then adverbs, and after that start to write. This table. Okay, in this table, but today you have to write only manner, time and place, these three things only. Okay, these two things you have to write it tomorrow, not today.
Okay, ma'am.
Start to write it, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Now any query regarding these three of adverbs? कैसे लिखना है? Got everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In homework you have to got it. Okay. So now you can start to write it. I'm going to stop this meeting. Okay, everyone?
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am.
Have a nice